Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade the PS4 version of a game to the PS5 version, and this is really easy to do. So what you want to do is go over the game. So if I were to go like No Man's Sky right here, I want to go down under this and then go to the three little dots right here, and then you can go to select version. So let's say you have the PS4 version on your PlayStation 5. If you go to select version, well, here is an option to download the PlayStation 5 version right here. Now this is going to look a little bit different in your library. So if we go to the game library, now if you're under the game library and you're under the console storage, the installed section right here, you might actually have to click on the game to actually get the different versions. So here's Overwatch 2. I know there's a PS4 and PS5 version of this game. So I'm going to select it. Now I have to go to the three little dots again and go to select version. And here's the PS4 version and the PS5 version. Now you can tell a little bit quicker, instead of going to where it says installed on the top, let's go on over to your collection. Now we can scroll on down in here and pay attention to the PS4 and PS5 logo on the icon itself. So for Call of Duty, it says PS5 and PS4, but if I go on over to Hollow Knight right here, it just says PlayStation 4, indicating there is no PS5 version of it. So you can quickly tell right away from this screen. Same thing with Minecraft, there's PSVR 1 and PS4, but not PSVR 2 or PS5 versions of that game. So if we go on over to Overwatch 2 now, you can see PS5 and PS4 versions are available for this specific game. Then I can select it and then I have the options to download. So this is just a little bit quicker to tell if there is an upgrade for you or not. So just come to your collection on the top here and just scroll on down under this list. And you should be able to download the PS5 or PS4 version really easily now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.